Well, Ohio is going in the wrong direction tonight. Today, the state saw yet another all-time record high for COVID cases, this time cracking the 5,000 mark for the first time. And the number of people who need to be hospitalized continues to skyrocket as well. 231 in the past 24 hours. NBC4's Danielle Grossman is live tonight in Columbus. And Danielle, what are doctors saying that they think might be contributing to this really drastic spike in the last few weeks?
You know what, Colleen, as we've heard over the past few days, it's those large indoor gatherings. And doctors are worried if they continue, that the spike will continue to rise and it won't stop.
At a certain point, people just don't really care anymore.
I think people are easing up on their use of masks.
And with these staggering numbers, it's clear controlling COVID-19 is becoming a challenge.
We can't be apathetic. We can't let our guard down. As tired as we all are of this, it is so critically important that we continue to do the things that we know work.
Dr. Ian Gonsenhauser with OSU says there's a difference between this surge and the one we had 6 months ago.
What separates this from the beginning of the pandemic are the geographies that are included in the surge right now.
It's not just urban areas like Columbus. A majority of Ohio's counties are now in red and at a much higher risk of COVID-19 spread.
I feel like with the OSU games, people are going to be drinking, and when they start drinking, it doesn't really matter anymore. They're just going to keep doing what they're doing.
What can be done? How do we get the numbers down? Well, I asked some locals if they think another stay-at-home order would help.
I don't really want to see that happen unless it's really necessary, but of course it would help.
But again, Dr. Gonsenhauser says we need to stick to what we know.
Again, the best thing that we can do to try and combat that are the weapons in our arsenal that we know are effective. And those are still the same things that we're all tired of hearing about, but we know we have to do.
Now some advice from Dr. Gonsenhauser ahead of the OSU game tomorrow. Maybe go outside, find an outdoor venue you can enjoy the game at. Maybe bring your TV outside and enjoy with some friends, but make sure you social distance, of course, wear your mask, wash your hands, and be safe. Live and local for you, Danielle Grossman, NBC4.